Hello friends, today we are going to make some chocolate chip banana bars. This is a very healthy recipe and it's yummy. These are great for breakfast, dessert, or a snack. You can also freeze them for later. For this recipe you will need 4 to 5 ripe bananas, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup oil. I'm using olive oil because it's healthy, but you can use any oil. 1/4 cup milk, 2 eggs, 1 3/4 cup flour. I am using whole wheat, but you can use all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 cup chocolate chips. First step is to peel the bananas. Make sure you remove the bottoms. Now mush the bananas. This is how it should look now. Now you're going to add the eggs. Brown sugar. Oil. And milk. Now you're going to mix it. Now add the baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Now add the flour. Now mix everything. Now put half of the chocolate chips and save the rest for later. We'll add these at the end at the time of baking. Now mix again. We're ready to bake now. Let's go ahead and fire up the oven. First, let's make sure there's nothing inside the oven. Sometimes we forget stuff in there. All good, ready to go. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Let's go ahead and get the baking sheet ready. I'm just going to spray some non-stick spray so my bars don't stick. Pour the mixture into your baking tray. Now spread out the mixture evenly. Now sprinkle the remaining chocolate chips on the tray. Looks good, now let's bake. Our oven is now ready. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes. I'll see you in 20 minutes. Our bars are now ready and they look amazing. We're going to wait for them to cool off before we start cutting. Our tray has now cooled off. We can go ahead and cut them into pieces. I'm going to cut them in bars. Our chocolate chip banana bars are ready.